A rational number. A rational number. The next topic is rational number. A rational number is a number which is of the form a by b. The a by b is the form number where a and b are the integers and b is not equal to 0. Means integers means it is not a decimal number. It should not. Minus 2 is also a rational number. It may be a positive rational numbers, positive integers or negative integers. It should be integer, means it is not a fractional number. Even 0.2 is also not a rational number. 0.3 is also not a rational number. Only thing is it should be should not be a fractional number. A number of the form a by b where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. This is also important, are called rational numbers. Even, for example, p by q can be written as p into m divided by q into m, where m is non-zero. Any number for that matter. For example, 1 by 2 is there. So for example, 1 by 2. Even this can be written as 5 if you multiply and divide by 5. This can be written as 5 by 10. Or even you can say 1 by 2 can be written as, you can take any number 20 into 1 by 20 into 2, that can be written as 20 by 40, like that you can write. Like similarly 1 by 2 can be written as 1 divided by both numerator and denominator by 4, you can divide it 2 by 4. This also becomes same value. The value does not change if you multiply the numerator and denominator by same non-zero integer. The value does not change. And also if you divide the numerator and denominator by same non-zero integer, the value does not change. This is the meaning of these things, two things. Okay, and the next one is the lowest form of a rational number of the form p by q is said to be in the lowest form if p and q have no common factor. Okay, for example 4 by 2 is not a lowest form because it has a common numerator, has common factor 2 into 2. Not only um, p and q have no common factor because p has a common factor 2 here. P and q have common factor what? 2. That is highest. Okay, the common factor, that is next one is it becomes 2. Now this one is the lowest form of, okay, even you can take um, 15 by 3 is it not a lowest form. I can say another thing, you can take 10 by 20. 10 by 20 is not a lowest form because it has a common factor 5 into 2 and 5 into 4 10 into 2. Okay, 10 into 2. This can be written as 10 divided by 10 into 2. 10 then get cancelled, this becomes 1 by 2. What I want to say, in order to reduce the rational number, you have to divide the HCF. See here, once if I divide one is I can say divide 5 by 4, you will divide it 5 and 5, you don't get lowest form. Not to get lowest form, you to divide it by HCF of the p by q, then we can get a lowest form. See, for example, if a 10 by 20 is there, if I divide 5 you don't get it, still you get a not a get a lowest form. In order to get it, you have to divide it by the highest common factor of p by q, then you can get lowest form of the. Then very important note, if a by minus b is a rational number, a by minus b can be written as minus a by b also, because see here, for example, a by minus b can be written as, if as I told you in the previously, if you multiply any non-zero rational numbers, the value does not multi by numerator and denominator value does not change in the previous chapter, because p by q can be written as pm into qm, isn't it? Therefore, I multiply both numerator and denominator, both non-zero integers, that is minus 1. Does not change here. This becomes minus a by b. Similarly, this also can be written as minus a by b, that is equal to minus a by b. Therefore, this law also. Why? Because this one is, for example, if you take example, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2. With the same example, that becomes minus 4 by 2. That is ultimately half of this minus 4 means what? Minus 2. How you will get it? This can be written as minus 4 by 2. That is minus a by b. Isn't it? That is minus 2. Therefore, even if you take number line here, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus half of minus 4 means what? Minus 2. See, minus 2, in order to get it, you have to take down the minus sign common, and 4 by 2, that is minus 2. Okay, this is how we confirm. Okay, this is an important. The last one is, in this is numerators. If the numbers having the same numerator, how to add it? Very simple. If suppose a by b is there, one is called one rational number, another number is c by d, is same, I can say c by b. You can take just a by b plus c by b, you can get it. You can get uh, a plus c by, you take uh, common numerator and you can add it having the same numerator. But if sorry, same denominators having, if suppose if it is a minus sign, if it comes here, what we can do? Just bring down, use the law like they previously told. I can say this can be written as plus of minus c by b. See, for example, I can say if I take a by b plus, if the comes like this, it is like this. What we can do? This can be written as a by. You make the denominator positive always. Okay, very simple. Next, if I can write like this also, minus c by b. No problem. Now you can add it. That is a plus of minus c. That becomes a minus c by b. Like this we can say. If suppose if the denominators are different, what we can do? If the denominators are distinct, what we can do? For example, I can say 2 by 3 is there plus 4 by 5. What we can, in order to make denominator same, you have to take LCM of 3 and 5. What is LCM? Least common multiplier. 3 multiplier means what? 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5. Okay, 5 multiplier, 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 in, okay, 5 into 3. What is the common multiplier? Least common multiplier, 5 into 3 and 3 into 5. Okay, that is 15. You take LCM of this, make a common multiplier. Okay, directly I can say LCM. That 2 LCM you can make 15. 3 into 5, that is 10. 3 you take, that is 3 into 10 plus 5 into 2, that is 8, that is 18 by, because once I take 15 as a common multiplier, LCM, okay, LCM of 3 and 5 is mm, 15, okay, 3 into 5 is the 15, 5 into 2 is the 5, sorry, 5 into 3, sorry, 5 into 3 is the 15. Now 5 into 2, 10, 4 into 3, what, 12, that is becomes 4 into 3 is 12, that is becomes 22 upon 15. Like this we can understand. This is how we can, if the denominators are different, you can make. The next one is, if the denominators are different, even you can, if the denominators are negative, make it positive. If the denominators, for example, if I say same example, if example is minus 2 by 3 is there, 4 by 5 is there, what we can do, we apply the law here. This can be written as minus 2 by 3, no problem, plus 4 by 5. You can take LCM, 3 and 5 is 15, again 3 into 5, that is minus 10, plus this becomes 12, that is 2 by 15. This is how you can solve the examples. They have distinct denominators and same denominators.